Good morning. Welcome to Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me live at MarketSite is Ahu Yildirmaz. She is the co-head of the ADP Research Institute, and we are here to discuss what's happening with jobs and wages as we do for the first Monday of each month. Ahu, thank you again for joining us at MarketSite. And last time we spoke, you said that job switching is at an all-time high. So I wanted to dig more into that this month. Can you tell us about what's going on with that?
Sure. Labor market actually shows no signs slowing. In fact, the hiring remains very strong despite the strong and tight labor market. Our data show that last year in 2017, almost 27% of the employees at one time change jobs, they switch jobs. In fact, our annual survey on evolution of work data shows that more than 60% of the workers are either open to change jobs or actively seeking to change jobs. So, and what's more interesting, in this tight labor market, switching is high, and switchers, job hoppers, can also get jobs at an increasing wage growth.
So what sectors are you seeing people switch to that is showing increasing wage growth?
Yeah, three sectors that we are seeing: information, professional services, and finance sectors. And it's interesting, regionally also we see the West Coast really becoming very strong, offering wage growth. And if you're in West Coast and information sector, you get the highest increase when you change jobs.
It's definitely different from the past, maybe 15, 20 years where everyone was coming to the East Coast for finance. That's really interesting to see. And something else that I found to be quite interesting is if you look across company sizes, what are you seeing with job switchers when it comes to large versus small companies?
Yes. So in our data, we have the ability to look at the firm size. So that's really a good advantage when you look at the overall market now. Large businesses offer the highest wage growth. When you change jobs, if you go to a large business, you're going to get the highest premium there. But what's also interesting, mid-sized firms are really trying to hold their talent, retain their talent. So they offer the highest holder wage growth, not the switching, but holders wage growth.
All right, and finally to wrap up, do you see any big threats to the job market at this point? Because we really are at near full employment.
Job market is tight, it's very healthy. We see job growth from all sectors, all firm sizes, but this is going to be a challenge for the employers to really find the workers that they need, the skilled workers that they need to run their businesses. That's going to be the biggest challenge, I believe, in upcoming years.
And then also to retain them.
To retain them. Therefore, the firms really, the employees really need to focus, not only attract, but also engage and retain them.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us. And thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.